Create opportunity. Opportunity is not what you go out there and find, but opportunity is something that you create for yourself. You see, the opportunities that many people have think is just an avenue for they themselves to be exploited. So, what is an opportunity to you? Do you have a creative idea that you on your own can work on as the boss? If no, then you are just making yourself an object of exploitation. This is Social Pills Channel, the right place to get just the right dose for your social challenges. And here on Social Pills Channel, I remain your chief host, Gretchen Wonder. The topic at the moment is create opportunity. So, you found out that people go to school, they read, they study, and they make good grades, only for them to come out and start looking for jobs. These jobs are jobs that are created by people's creative opportunity. Yes, you see, if I am the owner of a business and then I'm employing you, you should know that I am just bringing you to help my business to grow. Whatever thing I give you is not really to make you to feel all right, but it is just something to keep you coming at my service. And that is why I said many people, what they think to be opportunities are just an avenue for they themselves to be exploited. So, if you are there, you don't have any creative idea that you can work on your own, then there is a solution also to this. You can buy ideas. Have you ever thought of that? There are people who have so many ideas and they don't even have the resources to explore them. But for you, you may be buoyant to a certain level, and then you can leverage on other people's ideas to become your own owner of a business. So, why just leave yourself to the opportunities that are not opportunities? Opportunities that are just avenue for you to be exploited. I just gave an example just now. If I am to be employing you, you should know that whatever thing I give you is not for you to be all right. It's not for you to eventually become too self-sufficient, but rather it is just a means of keeping you coming back to my service. So, what is it that you have been doing over time? What has been your thought over job opportunities? You see, it is not a bad one to get a job in order to raise financial resources to venture into your own empire or your own aspiration. But it is best that we own and manage our own affairs. That is just the only way to be a free and happy man in the world today. You see these little business owners, they are having wonderful time on earth. You see, most times people even beg for their service, or people even beg for them to make their goods and services available to them. You see, but for you that is just a job seeker, or that is just a worker in an organization, let's say a private organization, you are just living your life for other people. They make tremendous gain on your head, but you are just receiving peanut and then you are smiling. You should wake up from that old age of thinking that getting a job is the ultimate. There are so many opportunities that we can create for ourselves rather than just keep ourselves under one boss or the other, enslaving ourselves, but thinking that we are doing well. Don't be that kind of person. You shouldn't be. Get ideas. There are people also who have so many ideas and they don't even know what it is. You can create a platform where you can train people on how to explore ideas, or you can also sell ideas to people. Don't just waste these ideas. Get a paper, get a pen, write them down, and then see how you can share them, a handful of them. And then people, when they eventually get to know you, you discover that you are just very much needed and very important in the society. You become a valuable thing that people want to pay for. Yes, it goes like that, vice versa. You don't have the resources, but you have the ideas. Some other persons have the ideas, but they don't have the resources. You see, this is just how we can play ourselves into building an independent life, irrespective of where we are coming from. So why study only to start looking for jobs everywhere when you can create one? I mean, you are very intelligent, you have gone through school, and school have passed through you also. So what do you now do with your certificate? You start looking for job here and there, but you have knowledge to impart. You can start an adult lesson in your environment. You can start also a private lesson for children within your environment. Instead of going up and down looking for a job, begging one employer or the other, who will end up using you for their own gains. We need to wisen up. We need to go deeper in our look of life. Things are changing, and so are we. If we don't change, then the new era is going to take advantage of us. People who are seeing deeply will just get the best out of us, leaving us with nothing. You see, some of these people, some of these workers, you discover that they are never satisfied either with the pay or with the time they put into the job or with their rising and sleeping hours. Some don't even get to see their children. But other people will still even see some of these kind of people and then envy them. What are we doing with the knowledge that we have? What are we doing with the new technological development and advancement that has come to stay? These things are things that we can create opportunity from them. We see so many people with the advent of computer, with the advent of Microsoft, with the advent of our Android phones, and with the advent of our data, they have made enormous gains from these things. Some even sitting at home. They don't even need to go out. They don't need to interact with anybody. They just do their stuffs online. Why don't you get ideas? Why don't you wake up and then see what you can do for yourself, rather than depend on one boss or the other, or trekking from one employment site to the other just to see if you can be employed, when you have all it takes to even grow to employ other people. Employment should not be a thing that we go to earn a living. Rather, it should be what we do to gather resources, to set up ourselves for our own affairs. So, let us open our minds, create opportunities, rather than go to seek for opportunities. If there is an already existing opportunity out there, brother, sister, these things are just the place where you go and then you get exploited. Even you yourself, you cannot run a business where your workers will be earning better than you. Rather, you'll be even looking at reducing their earnings so that they don't grow too big and then begin to feel self-dependent and then don't need you anymore. So employers always have this at the back of their minds. So as you are stepping out there, trying to get opportunity, open your eyes very well and then know if you are setting yourself up to be exploited or you are actually creating an opportunity for yourself. There are so much in life that we should just leave ourselves to any one person to use and dump us. Even governments of the world today have used lots of people and dumped them. If you go to the news, you will see the cry of pensioners. Why should they be crying for what they have worked for? These guys have put in all their energy, their youthful strength in trying to develop the country or the government's economy. But at the end, what happens? The money that is deducted from their salary for this very same pension sake are not even getting to them as at when due. You see certain of them die in the struggle just to fight to get what is rightfully theirs. So don't be too comfortable when you see something that looks like an opportunity. Try to scan it very well to know if actually you've got an opportunity there or you have just set yourself up to be exploited. So create opportunity. Don't wait for opportunity to come for you because it will never do. You have to create it, or you can buy idea that is a financial opportunity from other people. This way, you can set yourself to become financially free or to become self-dependent, controlling your affairs, determining when you come to work, managing other people while they work for you, and then contributing in a better way to life. Most of the big businesses that we see today, the ideas that they have eventually come up with are not just the ones that originate from the sole proprietors. Most of them are ideas that they bought from other people. So you can get yourself an idea to create an opportunity for yourself, or you can create that opportunity, that idea also for yourself, and then exploit it. This is Social Peace Channel, the right place to get just the right dose for your social challenges. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I'm urging you to subscribe, like my videos, and also share them so that we can bring this information to people who might be needing them out there. And here on Social Peace Channel, I remain your chief